Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pudeen Pusheen. So let's get started. To draw this cute pudding dessert, let's first start by drawing the cherry on top. So I'm going to start right here with a kind of like an ovalish circle. There. And then I'm going to come to the top right here and draw a curve and put in a little stem and then thicken the end. There. And then from there, underneath this cherry, let's put a dollop of cream. So I'm going to come to say about right here. I'm going to curve in a little bit and then round it off. And same thing here. Sticking this yummy cherry on top of this cream. And about right here, just go ahead and connect it. And about right here, we're going to come in with some details. Say about right here, just going to lightly draw a curve. And here as well, just so that we know it's cream. Okay, so then from there, we need to draw a big oval. So I am going to say about right here, and I'm going to drag that point across, and then about right here. Those are my 2 points where I'm going to start my big oval. So I'm going to come about right here, and I'm going to come down, and about right here, I'm going to curve it in, and same thing here. So just imagine this is coming through, and just going to draw our oval right there, and we're going to connect it. So the bottom is going to be a little bit flatter. So it's a little bit higher right here and flatter over here. And connect everything. There, got this big oval around. And then we can come back over here to the sides, and we're going to draw a big curve, a big line that's curved coming down. So about right here as well. So this big mound of pudding. And bring it down to about right here, and then we're going to curve it in. So same thing here, about right here, and curve it in. And we can go ahead and once again and connect everything. And same thing here. But before I finish that, well actually, you know what, let's just go ahead and connect everything. Oh, and I'll erase later. I think it's a little bit easier that way. So hopefully you're using a pencil at home, and then you can erase. Okay, so now we have this big mound of pudding, or actually it kind of looks like flan to me, but it's called Pudeen Pusheen. So we're just going to say pudding today. Then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the plate that it's in. So say about right here. So once again, I'm just going to drag a point across. So approximate. Same thing here. And we're going to draw our plate. So once again, it's like this big oval. And same thing here. So definitely make any adjustments you need. It is very tricky to draw ovals. And about right there. I'm going to bring it in, and I'm just going to go ahead and kind of follow this curve I've created for my plate. Oops. Go all the way across. And connect. There. Okay, and then we need to draw a bottom for our plate. So about right here, I'm just going to taper very lightly. Just give it a little angle on both sides. And we're going to round it off, just to give our plate some depth. And connect. There. Okay, now the hardest part is done, I promise. Then from there, let's put in Pusheen's little face. So we're going to find our center. So let's say about right here, and I'm going to give myself some space here and here. I'm just going to give myself 2 points. And then from there, I'm going to go up, over here and draw Pusheen's ear, round off the tip and bring it down. So same thing here, go up, round off the tip and bring it down. Then right about here, we're going to draw her 3 stripes. So 3 U's right in this center area. And 1 more right between her ears. Then let's come down the center and say about right here. I'll give myself a point and we're going to go down and up with a curve for her mouth. There. And then to the sides of this mouth, we're going to draw a circle for her eyes. And I'll come right here with a little circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. There, and so same thing on the other side, about right here. And once again, a highlight and shade it all in. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's come back in here real quick and just thicken this up. Now let's draw the whiskers. So on the sides of her eyes, about right here, I'm just going to pop out 2 whiskers. And same thing here. 1 and 2. Just thicken it up a little bit. And then her tiny little feet. So, right, let's just put them right underneath her eyes so we can make it a little bit more even. So about right here. I'm going to draw this little ovalish shape right underneath her eyes and connect. And so same thing about right here. There. And now I'll come in real quick with my whiteout pen and shade it, erase this part right here and here as well. Of course, if you didn't want to erase, you would just draw in these little feet before you finish the big curve at the bottom. And before I go, I almost forgot, I need to add a little heart, and I'll do that about here to make her my Draw So Cute Pudeen Pusheen. I really hope I helped you draw this cute pudding dessert fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.